Peter, you denied me, but your story isn't over. Failure is not final. I have more for you. I am a God of restoration. And he says to Peter, if we were to go there in John 21, you would see him saying to Peter, feed my sheep. Sounds a little bit like Luke 22:32, which says, strengthen my brothers. See, you got to understand this. Before Peter ever failed, Jesus had a plan for his restoration and his ministry. See, some of you think that the moment that you failed or the moment that your failure, your sin comes to light, your ministry and your usefulness is going to end. And the truth is, for some of you, that's when it's really going to begin. Because God loves to take broken things and put them back together. He loves to take failures, like a kid named Chris in the 90s who was growing up a mess, and say, I've got a plan for you. And see, I think Jesus chose Peter not because Peter wouldn't fail. I think Jesus chose Peter because Jesus wouldn't fail.